Did you know your skin regenerates every 28 days? But here's the catch. If you're using the wrong products or skipping key habits, you could be slowing it down. Are you tired of breakouts, dryness, or fine lines creeping in? Stick with me today because I'm sharing the best natural ways to get flawless, glowing skin, no harsh chemical needed. Hi there, welcome back to my channel Life Over 50. I'm Nishi here. If you are looking for healthy, youthful and naturally radiant skin, you are in the right place. Instead of expensive treatments and products filled with chemicals, we are diving into simple, effective and natural skincare solutions. These tips will repair your skin barrier, prevent aging and keep your skin glowing. Ready? Let's get started. Let's talk about some of the biggest skincare struggles. Acne that just won't go away. Dry, flaky skin no matter how much moisture you use. Fine lines and dullness that make you feel less confident. Sound familiar? The problem is many skincare products contain harsh chemicals and fragrances that strip your skin's natural moisture barrier. Instead of helping, they cause more irritation. That's why natural skincare is the best way to achieve flawless skin gently and effectively. So what's the next secret to glowing, healthy skin naturally? Here are some tips for you. Number 1, hydration is the key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and add cucumber, lemon or aloe vera juice for extra skin benefits. Number 2, follow a natural skincare routine. Use a gentle cleanser followed by a hydrating toner and lock in moisture with occlusive agents like shea butter or jojoba oil. Number 3, slugging for skin barrier repair. If you have dry or sensitive skin, try slugging with a thin layer of natural oil before bed. Number 4, eat for your skin. Load up on antioxidants, rich foods like berries, green tea and avocados to fight free radicals and boost collagen. Number 5, DIY face mask. A simple honey and turmeric mask can work wonders for reducing redness, acne and hyperpigmentation. In the last video, I have done several DIY projects. You could go through my last video for more information. A DIY project with apples. One of the most powerful skin hacks I have naturally tried. Raw honey for skin healing. It's antibacterial, hydrating and great for soothing irritation. I applied it as a mask twice a week and within a month my skin was clearer, smoother and more radiant. Another game changer, aloe vera gel as a nighttime moisturizer. It locks in hydration while repairing your skin barrier naturally. Perfect for those struggling with dry skin or fine lines. So there you have it. Hydration, natural skincare, a good diet and simple DIY treatments can truly transform your skin. The key is consistency. Stick to these habits and you will start seeing a difference in just a few weeks. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite natural skincare tip? Drop in the comments. I would like to hear from you. And if you want more anti-aging beauty hacks. Check out my next video on the best skincare routine for women over 50. So I request small YouTubers like me gather here. We can make a big community life over 50. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. So see you in the next video. Thank you.